Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Mass Gainer, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Mass Gainer, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Mass Gainer from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Naked Vegan Mass Natural Vegan Weight Gainer Protein Powder. Naked Vegan Mass Natural Vegan Weight Gainer Protein Powder is a clean and powerful weight gainer designed to help you build muscle and gain weight the healthy way. With just 3 simple ingredients: pea protein powder, organic rice protein powder, and organic maltodextrin, this vegan protein powder offers a pure and effective way to fuel your body. Each serving provides 50 g of protein, 248 g of complex carbs, and 1,230 calories, perfect for anyone looking to bulk up. The formula is free of artificial sweeteners, gluten, soy, dairy, and GMO ingredients, ensuring you're getting only the best. The clean, unflavored option allows you to customize your shakes with fruits or veggies for a personalized nutrition boost. Whether you're a vegan athlete or someone seeking a plant-based weight gainer, Naked Vegan Mass provides a complete amino acid profile to support muscle growth and recovery. Ideal for men and women looking for an effective, natural weight gainer. Number 2. Mutant Mass Weight Mass Gainer Protein Powder, 28-gram protein. Mutant Mass Weight Gainer Protein Powder is designed to fuel your body with the nutrients it needs for maximum muscle growth and bulking. Packed with 56 g of high-quality protein from a blend of whey isolate, whey concentrate, and casein, it provides the perfect combination for muscle recovery and growth. Each serving delivers 1,100 calories, 192 green of clean carbs, and 12 g of healthy fats to help you pack on size. Additionally, it includes 26.1 g of essential amino acids EAAs and 12.2 g of branched-chain amino acids BCAAs to support endurance and muscle repair. Made with natural whole foods like barley, sweet potato, avocado, and coconut oil, Mutant Mass ensures you're getting a nutrient-dense supplement without any artificial additives. The triple chocolate flavor is a gourmet treat, making it easy and enjoyable to meet your weight gain goals. Perfect for athletes and fitness enthusiasts looking to bulk up effectively. Number 3. Optimum Nutrition Serious Mass Weight Gainer Protein Powder. Optimum Nutrition Serious Mass Weight Gainer Protein Powder is designed to help you reach your weight gain and muscle building goals with ease. Each 2-scoop serving delivers a massive 1,200 calories, 50 g of blended protein, and over 250 g of carbohydrates, providing you with the energy and nutrients needed to fuel your body. In addition, Serious Mass includes 20+ vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and zinc, to support immune health. This high-calorie supplement is perfect for those who struggle to consume enough calories or for athletes looking to increase size and strength. The chocolate flavor is rich and indulgent, making it a delicious addition to your fitness routine. Add fruits, peanut butter, or other calorie-dense foods with an electric blender for even more weight gain potential. Serious Mass is ideal for post-workout recovery or as a meal replacement to help you maximize your daily caloric intake and muscle-building efforts. Number 4. Kachava All-in-One Nutrition Shake Superfood Powder Protein Drink. Kachava All-in-One Nutrition Shake Superfood Powder is the ultimate plant-based protein drink packed with over 85 superfoods and nutrients. This chocolate-flavored shake provides a powerful blend of ingredients including pea protein, sacha inchi, maca powder, and kale, offering a nutritional punch like no other. It's more than just a protein shake. It's an all-in-one meal replacement that supports your immune system, energy, weight, digestion, muscles, heart, skin, hair, and more. Kachava is free from whey, gluten, dairy, soy, and preservatives, making it perfect for those with dietary restrictions. Plus, it contains no artificial colors, flavors, or sweeteners, ensuring you get only the best ingredients. With a creamy, decadent taste, it's like drinking a milkshake while nourishing your body. Kachava is committed to sustainability, having planted over 54 million trees through its partnership with Rainforest Trust. It's the perfect addition to your daily routine for a healthier, balanced lifestyle. Number 5. BSN True Mass Weight Gainer Muscle Mass Gainer Protein Powder, BSN True Mass. Weight Gainer is the ultimate muscle mass gainer protein powder designed to support extreme training and help you build mass. Packed with 700 calories per serving, it features a 2:1 ratio of carbohydrates to protein, providing the extra nutrition your body needs for muscle growth and recovery. Each serving delivers 46 to 50 g of protein from ultra-premium sources like whey protein concentrate, casein, milk protein isolate, and egg whites, ensuring a high-quality protein blend. It also includes medium-chain triglycerides, MCT fats, complementing the nutritional profile. True Mass is perfect for fueling your recovery post-workout, between meals, or before bed. With BSN's renowned flavor technology, it offers a delicious, milkshake-like taste that makes gaining muscle even more enjoyable. Plus, with 10 g of naturally occurring BCAAs per serving, it supports recovery after intense exercise. Ideal for athletes with above normal caloric needs looking to take their mass-gaining goals to the next level. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.